My God is alive and well. I'm going shut in the hell. And then my God is alive and well. My God is alive and well. I really have that spell. Hey, I really is the new ways. The people that will be in the station. Them dirty people get the information. But now we want to everybody. That's how many come and get. But I'm just looking at what they're going with me to this here. Then hold on, man.
I'm going to explain a little situation with an artist named Gabriel Supreme, yo. Him is an artist from Trinidad, and him do reggae, dancehall and stuff. See? Now, me I try no pussy up the artist here, you know. For real. I just have to be honest, cause I ponder it. Me think about it, me ponder. And the brother here, him really kinda upset me. And he's a good artist, good music, but the youth have some problems. And like me say, me no know him, but it would have good if the youth could have correct certain things, yo. And the man nah deal with it, so now me no know if the artist here take him fans them for pussy. Cause yo, me a one of your fans, you know. So me no know if you take me for pussy, my youth, and take your fans them for pussy. So that me wanna know. So in this video, me I gonna explain the situation, and I'm also going to appeal to Gabriel Supreme, dog. Do what you need for do, my youth, and make this music thing I can work. Because you get a good start. Let's go. Now, my boss, the youth your music on the channel, because me I search the internet and a little man push it to me. You understand? One of my brethren in Jamaica and say, yo, countryman, listen to this. So when me listen to it, me play the tune on the channel when me I deal with the St. Vincent video them. You understand? Just like Zion me no know that youth here. But listen to part of that tune here. Me I go play the whole tune, you know. Phony, you know. But I want to hear just a part of the tune, car this is very important to the video. Listen to this.
I said me care because the little juvenile them a watch you. Hey, mothers losing morals, teaching their daughters how to skin out in a dress. You go up on social media, them not show cleavage, now them a show them breasts. What you want the little juvenile to do when him have a gun and him depressed? My message got to reach the people, oh me nah go rest. No, me nah. I say me nah. Certain things me nah do. Me just certain things me can't do. Me just can't because the little juvenile them a watch you. Them a watch you.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on this new channel. It's called Countryman Canada, where I will be bringing live stuff from Canada. The knockies and the clappies, the good, the bad, the ugly, giving an insight into Canadian gang violence and the gangs and the good things too about Canada. So stay tuned and click the link down below. Countryman Canada YouTube channel. Now, this was the song I played. It named Me Nah. So I've been following his career. So it seems like after I play this video, because I've been watching his career now, after I play this video, he ended up in Sting 2023. We're just gone. We're in a March 5th. So 3 months ago. Now, I want you to listen to what I'm saying, you know. After the song bust on Jamaica First, Country First channel, this young man got picked up and dropped in Sting. Now, he's from Trinidad, and this young man created history. The first Trinidad artist to make it to Sting with this song we call Me Nah. And you know, say, this man, Marcus M. Gabriel, went back to Trinidad and hide out, dog. Now, I've searched YouTube and I realize he's on a site called Jeds International. So, even the people them over there in Jeds International, cause I don't know them, you know. I don't know these people. Want to see him because he created history. He should be out there singing for his fans. But this guy went back to Trinidad and is hiding out in his house and do not want to sing because we cannot find this guy. I've been looking for him because the people are crying out for this guy. If you guys don't believe me, check out Spotify, check out CD Baby, check out Google, check out YouTube, Jeds International. There is thousands and thousands of followers behind this young man. Trinigood music the man I sing. His music is relevant and this young man is in hiding. Yo, I am really upset as a fan, dog, because now is a fundamental time in the Trinidad scene, because Trinidad music kill themselves. You see, just like how the artists then use a gun and a shoot off each other, I see them where them use the gun and shoot on the Trinidad music. And I have always been saying Trinigood, Trinigood. This young man's song is relevant. Listen, I'm gonna play the full video right now, and I want viewers and subscribers to listen to this song. Remember, this youth make it to Sting, you know, 2023, you know. I have the video and I'm also gonna play it, but I am gonna play his song first. Listen to this song.
Yeah, me I give it to them, you know. Yeah, man, a long time me I watch and I see them. I mislead you with them. Yo, I me just can't sit back and I watch the people them I destroy the little ghetto youth them. No, you have to talk about it. Supreme. I say me nah, I say me nah. Certain things me nah do, me just nah. And certain things me can't do, me just can't, because the little juvenile them a watch you. Me just can't. Hey, and now watch me black brother working hard all week and go rob him chain. Collect bloody money from the black brother head, and when him touch down bust him brain. Me can't watch me own black people arise and me walk pull them down the drain and sing dirty music fi corrupt the youth them brain. No, me nah, me just nah. Certain things me nah do, And me care do. I say me care because the little juvenile them a watch you. Hey, mothers losing morals, teaching their daughters how to skin out in a dress. You go up on social media, them not show cleavage, now them a show them breasts. What you want the little juvenile to do when him have a gun and him depressed? My message got to reach the people, oh me nah go rest. No, me nah. I say me nah. Certain things me nah do. Me just. Certain things me can't do. Me just can't because the little juvenile them a watch you. Them a watch you. Yeah. Hey. So when you rise a morning, get to use. Tell yourself you never struggle today. You nah go shoot. Or you fi beat up your girlfriend at the daytime and call her prostitute. And in the night time you lay down beside her, kiss her and call her cute. If you want a proper tree in your garden, mold it from the root. Ha. Me not play Russian roulette with me life, not jump without parachute. Who the cap fit, let them wear it and put on a suit. Hey, me now watch them destroy the youth. So me just nah. Certain things me nah do. Me just certain things me can't do. Me just can't because the little juvenile them a watch you. Me just can't. I'll do that to the little youths there. Tell me, them are the future. Somebody tell.
This song, what y'all think about this song? This song is a relevant song for the sign of the time. Big tune, you understand? And when I heard the song, I'm speechless. But when I hear the song, it's like a weight was lifted off me. That's the best way I could explain it. The song sort of punched me in my head and said, countryman, do the right thing. Don't do them thing there. Check yourself, my youth. So I think what the song is our conscience. You understand? Very relevant. No, this is him. Sting 2023. Watch this.
My God is a I need going shut in the head. And then my God is a My God is a I really understand. Hey, I really listen to it. The people that live in them dirty people get information. But now we everybody. That's how many come back in. But I just when they're going with me to this here, then hold on, man.
So me I ask the question, why is this youth a hide? Why is he afraid to sing? Why are we not seeing him on social media, YouTube, wherever? Why is he not out there? Why is he not talking about his achievement as the first Trinidad artist for touch on Sting? You created history in the music business, my youth. You understand? And maybe you don't realize this. So I am looking high, low. Everybody when me know at Trinidad, me I ask them whether youth are there. You see him. You know when music there. In my profile, me I ask people at Jamaica, me I ask people all at England to blood clot. Where is this guy? Why is he not performing, talking, social media, make the fans them know you? You understand? People are dying to hear this young man. The man showing them relevant. If you don't believe me, you can go to Spotify and you'll see his songs and you can listen to them. You see what I'm saying? But the man is in hiding, and that really pissed me off. Now, me I talk to Marcus Gabriel, the artist. My youth, enough guys would like to be where you is now. Because listen, you leave Trinidad and went to Sting, and you mash up Sting, you know. You understand? And then you come back to Trinidad and you're hiding in your house. You refuse to sing. You refuse to talk about your big, greatest achievement with the Trinigood genre, dog. Cause your music is positive. You understand? It is uplifting. Listen, my youth, you is a superstar. So get up off of your ass and do what you have to do. Nothing lasts forever. Enough man would love to be where you is. They are Sting and all them thing there. But come out of the shadows, my youth. I don't know where you are. You understand? I would like to see you out there, cause like I said, I am doing this from a fan's perspective. You understand? Cause I don't know this young man. I don't know who put him out. I don't know anything. All I know is that I am following this man's career and he has vanished. And that need to stop. Him need to step out. So Marcus Supreme, Gabriel, you need to step out, dog, and do the work. You understand? Make people know you. Come promote your thing. Cause listen, me play your song, you know, I make everybody hear, all of my friends and everybody love your tune. Plus, like me said, me search the internet and people are dead for your tune and are dead for see your face, are dead for your talk, but you refuse to sing. You understand? And me know say anybody who produce an artist or they behind an artist and an artist make a great achievement and then the artist no one do the follow up, it can be very disappointing. So Marcus Supreme, Gabriel, may I talk to you. You's a good artist. Step out, my youth. Run out on them and make them see say you're great and see your greatness and see your achievement, and that's all me have to say. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe and click on another video. I'm out.